Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Trisha G here. I'm back at Saddle Creek and I'm at the campground area. We're gonna go to the campground area and the nature trails today. Okay guys, I'm here at the nature trail. I'll take you along with me and let's see what we can find. Hi everybody! As you can see, we're back home now and our expedition is over. We went through Saddle Creek, we did the campground, and we did the nature trails. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about Saddle Creek. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and we'll catch you with the next one. See you next time.